Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm on my way to take my little one back to school and run a few errands and a quick oil change on the SUV. Besides that, how you guys doing? I'm doing well. It's nice and cool today. Not that bad. How you feel, Papa?
Good.
You feel good? Yeah? Where we going?
School.
Going to school. That's right. Yep, guys. So that's what I'm gonna do. And
I go anywhere,
see you around.
anywhere with you, 'cause you fill my mind, or you fill my mind. We could build a dream, start up something new. Let the old be dead, let the shadows leave my head. When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over, just come a little closer. I'll be there for you, I'll be there for you. 'Cause when we are together, I know you feel the tension. Just let me in your head so I can be there for you, there for you. The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep?
Let's get this down. Alright, my king, let's go. Is this yours? You gotta take it back home. Go. Well, guys, that didn't went so well. Kind of hard to leave your son crying in the classroom and just him watching you leave. It sucks. It's sad. It breaks my heart. I didn't want to leave him. I was gonna take him back home, but he gotta stay. He gotta start somewhere. You know, he gotta go to school. So he's not happy. So hopefully he'll stop crying. So back to the errands. Coffee needed, guys, and a sandwich. Well needed. Hey guys, here in O'Reilly, as you can see. Let's focus. There you go. Gotta go pick up some oil filter, oil. That's about it. Get that done real quick. It's real quick. It'll probably take me like a good 15 to 20 minutes. Real fast. But let's get in there. I finished that oil change already. Didn't record it, didn't put it on the vlog. It was a kind of messy. Spilled a lot of oil on the floor. Had to clean it up for my boy. As he wake up, he'll see the mess. He's like, this mother. But got it done. It was easy. Besides the mess. Oh well. On my way to the gym, like an hour, quick hour, since my son get out of school early. Well, 2:30, so it's 10:56 right now. So I'll do a quick hour here a little bit myself, then pick him up. Keep on watching, guys. Subscribe, hit that like button, post notification if you may, so you can see my future videos, and stay tuned for more. Just got done with my workout today. It was pretty good, It was real quick. Took it easy, but it felt good, definitely. What do you guys think about the new 75-inch TV? Look at that. Huh? Big old TV. Did great. Looked great too. I'm just waiting till 2 o'clock. 2:30. Go grab my munchkin. Get him already. See how he feels. If he likes school. Clearly he doesn't, but get to interact with other kids, which is great. Instead of just being with grandmother. So now sit and wait. Grab me a quick drink. Sit and wait. 2:30. See what happens.
Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep?
Hey guys, it's about that time. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. On my way to pick up my brat. We gotta go grab some coffee for the house, milk for him. About that time. go grab it. And guys, look who I got with me. Say something, Papa. What? He was happy to see me. You was happy to see me, Papi? Yeah. Yeah, he was. You had what?
I had fun in school.
Yeah, you had fun in school? Nice. What'd you do?
Huh?
What'd you do?
I played with my friends.
Did you go outside?
Huh?
Did you go outside?
Yeah.
Nice. What else you did?
Or we're playing hide and seek.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice. You had fun?
Yep.
Great. That's good. You stopped crying once I left?
Huh?
Did you stop crying when I left?
Yeah.
Okay, good
I
boy.
did cry outside.
No.
Pardon.
Did you write your leg?
Huh?
Did you write on your leg?
Yeah. Yeah, that one on a tattoo.
You wanna? Guys, you heard that? He wanted a tattoo on his leg, so he wrote on himself. You one crazy boy? Oh, yes?
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna clean it? I'm not. Are you?
You're coming.
What?
You're gonna do it.
No.
Why, Daddy? No.
Hey people, we are on our way to Aldi's. To Aldi's, Papa. We gotta go grab. Yeah, once we get home. Look. God dang! Look at the old lady. What did you hit? What did you hit, lady? They don't pay attention. They hit the sidewalk. No, the old lady hit the sidewalk. This guy wasn't paying attention. Start paying attention, especially here. And always here in this store, I always see it happen. Not so long ago, this lady climbed up the whole sidewalk. Like, she climbed the whole thing. And I think she couldn't even get out of the sidewalk. So, people, please be safe. Well, that wasn't a success. We only got bread. And what else we got?
Some coffee.
Some coffee. Nope. Didn't carry it today. For wifey's whipped cream. On to the next store, which is Stop and Shop. Expensive Stop and Shop.
No. They're done.
Yeah?
When they get home, we gotta knock on their door and get them rid of things.
They slick.
They're not done it!
What?
I get mental.
Slide me one.
No.
Oh.
You got it?
Then I get mental.
Turn over.
You got it?
Mental. The stuff is there. One Nidas.
I'm taking a piece.
Damn greedy. What? They took your candy?
Yes.
What you got in your mouth?
Gum.
How you got gum?
From there.
So, King Nidas wants soda
Yeah, in my bottle.
in your bottle. So the only way you're gonna get soda if you clean your own bottle, right?
Yeah.
No, don't pour nothing yet. He gotta clean his own bottle. I'm not cleaning it. He wants soda. That's what you need to do. Disgusting looking dude.
We do it on repeat. I could stay awake till the night is through with you by my
What are you doing?
side.
Hurry up. Bro, hurry up. Hurry up, bro.
Okay, bro.
Hurry up, bro.
Okay, turn it off.
You turn it off, bro.
Welcome to my dad's channel. Please subscribe to my dad's channel.
When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like